Hi, my name is Brian, and today I'm excited to demonstrate a brand new Microsoft product developed by Office Solution. This innovative tool is a Microsoft Outlook add-in designed to enhance your meeting scheduling experience with additional customization and smart data capture features. Once you open the add-in, you'll see a form where you can fill in complete meeting details, including subject, participants, agenda, and more. After entering all the required information, simply click the Top Latest MMT button. This action will display a set of options, allowing you to select the type of meeting and specify if any resources or approvals are required. Once you're ready, click on Submit, and all the meeting data will be securely saved in your respective database. And that's it. A smarter, more organized way to create meetings right from Microsoft Outlook. Thanks for watching.